friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I am going to bring to you a recipe that is a hot favorite, loved by one and all, especially people who have tasted this mouth-watering recipe. That is Cajun spiced potatoes in barbecue nation style. Cajun cuisine is a combination of French and Spanish cooking technique. I am sure you will enjoy making this recipe. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. The ingredients to prepare the recipe are baby potatoes 15 to 20. I have washed them very nicely and dried them. Mayonnaise 3/4 cup. Milk half to 3/4 cup. Maida or all-purpose flour 2 tablespoons. Corn flour 4 tablespoons. Onion powder 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder 3 teaspoons. Chili powder 2 teaspoons. Mixed herb or oregano half teaspoon. Chili flakes half teaspoon. Pepper powder half teaspoon. Salt half teaspoon or as per taste. Juice of half lime. Chopped onions and coriander for garnish. Place a cooker on the stove. Drop in the baby potatoes and pour in the water around 6 cups. Close the cooker and light the gas. Keep the flame on high for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, lower the gas to sim and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then turn off the gas and allow to cool. Our potatoes are boiled and cooled. Now we shall press them to flatten them. With the palm of the hand, give it a very slight press to grab. Be very gentle. We just want to flatten it. We don't want to break it. In the same way, flatten all the potatoes. Now we shall make a crunchy coating to dip these potatoes into and fry them. Take the corn flour into a bowl, the maida and a little salt. Adding little water at a time. We shall beat it together, making sure there are no lumps. The batter has to be thin so that we can just give it a light coating and slight crispiness. This is the consistency we want. Place a pan on the stove and light the gas. Pour around 1.5 cup of oil for shallow frying of the potatoes. Dip the flattened potatoes in the crunchy coating and fry on medium flame till golden brown on both sides. the onion powder, the chili powder, the pepper and salt. Give it a nice mix. I have not used the ready-made Cajun spice. I have put together individual spices to make it. We shall add the lime juice for a little tangy taste. Since our Cajun mayonnaise is a little thick, we shall add a little bit of milk to give it a flowing consistency. This is the flowing consistency you need. So friends, let's plate our Cajun potatoes. We shall cover it with our Cajun mayonnaise. Garnish it with a little chopped onions, little coriander and a pinch of chili powder. Our spicy Cajun potatoes in Barbecue Nation style is ready. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.